that all the matters passionately and give justice whoever justice should be given. So in the course of the proceedings, we solicit your cooperation. Let us avoid making sensational comments and statements, because that will not help any of us. Let us avoid it. Let us look at the peace and safety of this country. That should be paramount in the mind of each and every one of us that is here. It matters. So I think I would like to introduce members of the panel. By my immediate right, Honorable Mr. Stephen Jonah Ada. Then by my immediate left is Honorable Surat Bolaji Yusuf. And we have Honorable Mr. Blokrono Ugo. Then we have Mrs. Abba Mohammed. So we are the panel that are going to sit on the part petition that have been before. We have 5 pending petitions before us. We intend to take off immediately with the pre-hearing sessions. For today, we intend to take petitions number 1, 2, and 3. At least those ones, each of them can have a bite today. Then 4 and 5 can take off tomorrow. So we will be alternating. Maybe today when we take 1, 2, and 3, we can adjourn to Wednesday. Then take 4 and 5 tomorrow. We are going to Thursday. So we alternate like that until those grades were able to conclude with the pre-hearing session. To solicit your cooperation so that we do that, knowing very well that election must time bound. So let us avoid unnecessary time wasting applications and objections, so that we look at the substance of the cases rather than unnecessary technical arguments. Hope and cooperate with each other so that everybody who will live here will be satisfied that justice has been done. Thank you. So you can see that the court has been overtaken by lawyers, members of the public. None of them, maybe very few of them have sense. So maybe when we start the matters, please let us scale down the number of council who will be here, so that members of the public will also have space for them to sit and to listen. Yes, there is a response from the bank.
This is my proposal. By what your lordship has said, we, as usual, we are ready and prepared to cooperate with all lordships, the division, and by extension, what your lordship has said that matters relate to the very existence of our nation. We as lawyers are not mindful of that. We are not unaware of our responsibilities as members of the bar. I want to assure your lordship that we are going to give the court our unflinching support at all times. Whatever the court will want to do, to accelerate all the matters. We are ready and prepared to give the court our support. I think I speak on behalf of all our colleagues here, irrespective of what the client or what she or clients you have come to support. Justice has one face, only one face, and one destination, the attainment of justice itself. We are going to cooperate, we are going to assist the Lord in doing just that. You are welcome, Madam.
Well, you find it necessary that we want.
Yeah, but occasion like this, given the nature of the matters involved, we, the petitioners who have brought these petitions for my noble lords, we want also to identify ourselves with this pledge which has been ably placed by our brother Silk to cooperate with their lordships. We appreciate the enormity of the responsibility on our shoulders as counsel, not only as ministers, people of justice, but we also owe a duty to the nation because of the monumental issues involved. We consulted amongst ourselves and we have decided to convey to your lordships our resolve to assist in whatsoever your lordships will decide in this pre-hearing session to facilitate, identify, and streamline all the issues so that this matter can be quickly disposed of so that the nation will know which way forward. Once more, welcome you. As my brother said, we are very, very grateful to you. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
Alas, on behalf of the petitioners in petition number 3, I fully associate myself with what my brothers said. Whatever we can do to ensure that my laws render their judicial activities seamlessly, we are going to do it as far as these petitions are concerned. We are not unmindful of the fact that these petitions have involved a lot of public interest. Indeed, at the end of the day, I'm very confident that these petitions will impact on Nigerians' electoral jurisprudence, will also impact on judicialism and constitutionalism. So we will do whatever is possible to assist the lordships. Thank you very much.
Very good morning, Lords. I actually thought Chief Malolan could have spoken on behalf of the bar. But since it appears everyone wants to have a bite, it's clear we will be balanced if I don't also speak. So, my Lords, I want to completely line us up with the commitments made on behalf of the bar. We recognize the importance of this matter, as always. On behalf of my colleagues on this side, I pledge a total commitment and support to your lordships. And we are confident that at the end of the day, justice will prevail. Thank you, Lord.
You will call out the petitions. They said that CAPE 01-2023 Action Alliance, AA and another, versus Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and 3 others. Then petition number 2 is PETC 02-2023, Action People's Party, APC, Bola, Ahmed Tinubu, and 2 others. Then number 3, CATEPC 03-2023, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi and another, versus Independent National Electoral, INEC and others. Allied People's Movement, APM, and Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and 4 others. Then number 5, CATEPC 05-2023, Abubakar Atiku and another, the Independent National Electoral Commission, and 2 others.
Good morning. Please, I want to make a passionate appeal. We are not allowed to stand by the aisle. Please, if you don't have a seat in the court hall, please, may we kindly just, I think we make some observation. We have chairs. Please, can you just sit down? And that's the screen there will be showing lights, please. Please, may we just quietly walk out, and we want to discourage the habit of bringing in chairs from outside the court hall. Please, thank you so much. God bless you.
Say hey. Hello.
Yes, no. It's a live feed. He even told me, look at the way he just said, good evening. Exciting times.
Yeah, for sure. No, this is when we run
Presidential.
Every election.
Oh, since Buhari is the patron. It's true. No, we are talking of the part after that. Prior to that, I'm talking of the likes of Zins. Okay, Shannon. A lawyer.
Exactly.